When you don't have a character and the confidence, no matter how you look, even if you're the most beautiful girl on earth, if you only rely on your looks as a girl, I'm telling you, this world will eat you alive. Especially if you're a girl in your 20s, focus on building a character. People nowadays, they don't even know what they are doing. They like whatever is popular at times, they listen to the same songs, they dress the same way. What is your hobbies? Don't say that you don't have one, because what's more embarrassing than that? Do you read books and articles or just scroll mindlessly on TikTok and social media, and then you eat whatever people feed you on the internet? You think that the problem is your appearance, and you spend money and you waste time and energy to change. But what's wrong is here in your own head. Hi besties, welcome back to the Aphrodite Angel. In this episode, you will discover everything you need to know to enhance your appearance and become more beautiful. Last episode, I have talked about how to take care of our body, our hair, skincare, and so on. It's 2025, let's dive more in how to achieve the best version of yourself. This is what you want to know to exude a truly attractive aura. Alright, first of all, is having a fit body and a clear skin. Listen, even if you don't have features that make you stand out, having a clear skin and a fit body make you 10 times attractive. Be mindful of what you eat because you are what you eat. It literally shows on your face and your body. Consider when you consume food, especially sugar. When I cut out sugar from my diet, my skin is literally cleared and my body is more slimmer. Second of all, cleanse your face properly. My skin has dramatically improved, acne gone, glowing, and overall health restored. No, I did not go to any facial clinic and spend crazy money. The key reason is I upgraded my cleansing game. If you're dreaming of a clear and glowing skin, the foundation of your routine should always be proper cleansing. It's also a need for any products to work on your skin. To me, it doesn't matter if I have worn heavy makeup or faced bad air quality or endured a long and sweaty day. My skin remains clean and healthy because I have committed to cleansing it right. It's healthy and it shows on the way that my skin recovers from acne. It literally takes less than 3 days for acne to be cleared without using any product. Before you ask what miracle product that I use to cleanse my face, let me stop you right there. It's not about the product, it's about the technique. Every night, without fail, I use makeup removal. This step is non-negotiable, even if I haven't worn any makeup that day. Why? Because makeup removal isn't just for makeup. It helps removing sunscreen, dirt, oil, and other impurities on your skin that it collects throughout the day. Skipping this step can leave layers of grime that clog your pores and prevent your skin from thriving. And don't rush through it. I make sure to gently and patiently cleanse every inch of my face. Here's the trick that I do every day. I use at least 4 to 5 cotton pads, especially I would use more when removing makeup. Most people make the mistake of using just like 1 or 2 cotton pads and rubbing their face aggressively and thinking that their skin is clean. No, no, no. Not only there's this fail to remove all the dirt and product buildup, it also damages your skin barrier, leaving it vulnerable to breakouts and irritation. That's why your acne keep coming back no matter what you do. When I'm done with the makeup remover, I wet another cotton pad with warm water, not hot, just warm, and thoroughly cleanse my face for a minute. You can use a towel instead of cotton pads, and to me this is a powerful trick because it's deeply cleanse your pores. After that, I use a cleanser. Again, gently and thoroughly massage my face, not more than 2 minutes. You can use any cleanser that works for you, anything that your skin feels comfortable with. Throw away those cleansers that say that they will fix all of your problems, tighten your pore, or brighten your skin. A cleanser is meant to clean, not to fix all of your problems, as they only stays on your skin for like 2 minutes. I highly recommend those cleansers that is gentle because you don't want to damage your skin barrier. The cleanser that improves my skin barrier and completely changes my skin condition is Cetaphil. I just couldn't remember how many bottles I have finished. My skin is sensitive and oily during the day, and even on days I wear heavy makeup, yes, it does clean my face really well and won't leave my skin dry nor strips my skin of its natural oil. It's doing its job really well, which is cleaning, and that's why I stick with it. Sometimes when I feel like my makeup removal products is still left on my skin after the first wash, I wash my face one more time with Cetaphil and my skin still won't be dry. Once your face is properly cleansed, your skin is like a blank canvas, ready to absorb the goodness of your skincare products. Clean skin allows serums and moisturizers and treatments work their magic more effectively, delivering the better results over time. So if you have been wondering why your skin isn't improving, it might be the time to rethink your cleansing routine. Start with the simple upgrade and then you will see the difference in no time. Always stick with products that work on your skin. These days, I only have few skincare products, which is working on what I want to improve about my skin. I stick with the same cleanser, the same moisturizer, the same BHA retinol products. Yes, I used to try a lot of different products and then I realized that I only need few of these things. Why? We often get intrigued by these products that people say that it works on them and it brings magic to their skin. The fact that is not always true. Mostly is over marketing or sometimes you buy new products just because your FOMO triggers you. Listen to your skin and stick with the ones that work for you. Prioritize your hygiene. In the last video, I have talked about how to become more beautiful. I mentioned about prioritizing hygiene, how to wash your body, your hair properly. However, when I talk about being hygienic, I don't just mean cleaning your body or washing your hair. It extends to everything around you. Your living space, the items that you use daily, your clothes, your bed, and more. Being hygienic not only reflects your physical health, but it also reflects your mind, your mental state. To me, whenever I want to know what is a person is about, I always look at their environment, like the house and like the place that they live. It always showed what's in their mind. Cleaned and organized environment promotes both physical and mental well-being. I have read of studies that have shown that people struggling with mental health issues like depression often have messy rooms or chaotic spaces. Your surroundings are a direct reflection of your mind. When your mind is cluttered or overwhelmed, your space often mirrors that disarray. But the reverse is also true. When you take time to clean and organize your environment, it can have a calming and therapeutic effect on your mental state. It's also about self respect. You may know people who dress impeccably and smell great when they go out, but their homes or rooms are a mess. In case that you're in that situation, please go clean your room because who are you trying to impress? Start impressing yourself. Start with the basics: your room, your clothes, your bed. Clean your house and wash your clothes. Keep the items that you use daily, like your phone, your laptop, makeup brush, everything clean and sanitized. Wash your blankets and pillowcases regularly. I always make sure to change my pillowcase in 2 or 3 days. You don't want to sleep on a dirty fabrics because it affects your skin. When our environment is hygienic and organized, then you can organize other stuff in your life like your career, your relationship. A clean space equals a clean mind. How to smell good. Alright, let me tell you something that no one tells you. Washing your hair and body is essential, but your diet plays a significant role in determining your body odor. Smelling good isn't just about external cleanliness. No amount of perfume will make you smell good, and no matter how many times that you wash your body, if you have a bad body odor, if you don't change what you eat, you can't fix your body odor. Certain foods have strong odors or compounds that your body releases through sweat and breath, such as spicy food, garlic, onions, alcohol. Consuming these foods frequently can contribute to strong body odor. On the flip side, some foods can enhance your body's natural scent, leaving you smell fresh and pleasant. Consider to consume food like pineapple, yogurt, green tea, cinnamon, celery, ginger. You can elevate your personal hygiene game and smell amazing naturally. Besides, please consider shaving. Yes, your body hair can contribute to body odor. Shaving or trimming body hair can help reduce body odor by decreasing bacterial growth. It can also improve the effectiveness of deodorant or antiperspirant. Eventually, you have a nice and fresh body's natural scent. It will complement the products that you are using. Your body wash, perfume, shampoo, lotion. You will smell so much better. Stop buying clothes just because they look good on models. Instead, start shopping for your body type. Clothes that complement the body part that you want to showcase and the body part that you want to tone down. It will save your time and money because you don't have to look at those clothes that doesn't flatter your body type anymore. You might not want to buy a shirt that you can only wear for a few times, then it has to sit in your closet until you throw them away because you cannot wear them. Besides, I know some pieces that might look cute on the models and it makes you want to get them right away. But do your own research before spend money. When your clothes fit your body, you look neat and it makes the clothes look more expensive. To be honest, please go for clothes that have a good quality and you can mix and match with other clothes. Then you can copy and paste without being boring in your style. Stop buying cheap fabrics clothes. Cheap clothes are made poorly, and when you wear a cheap fabric, you can tell it doesn't fit your body and it looks cheap. You can tell when a person is wearing a high quality item, even though it's just a basic tee. The material looks completely different with a cheap one. I know that many people who have an issue spending money on high quality items because they want to spend less so they can save money. But remember, if you buy a cheap and poorly made item, you run the risk of repurchasing them. In some cases, you'll end up paying more than you would have if you purchase higher quality version. You probably heard of cost per use. So you simply divide the cost of the item by the number of the times that you anticipate using it. A $365 item is used every day for a year would have a cost per use for $1 per use. Used every day for 2 years, the cost per use would be 50 cents. Comparing with a shirt costs $5, but you always use them once. The $5 shirt is more expensive than the $365 shirt. And in fact, when I get myself a high quality item, I can use them for many years and they're still in good condition if I take care of them. So I actually don't have to spend much money on repurchasing clothes. Attractive energy. Your energy plays such an important role. Yes, we are always trying to improve our appearance, but girly. When you don't have a character and the confidence, no matter how you look, even if you're the most beautiful girl on earth, if you only rely on your looks as a girl, I'm telling you, this world will eat you alive. I have seen so many beautiful girls with an insecure mindset, and it slowly destroys their lives, their relationship with people around them, their careers, and many things. Especially if you're a girl in your 20s, focus on building a character. Develop an actual personalities. To be honest, I think that this is so important because people nowadays they don't even know what they are doing. They like whatever is popular at times, they listen to the same songs, they dress the same way. What is your hobbies? Don't say that you don't have one, because what's more embarrassing than that? Do you read books and articles or just scroll mindlessly on TikTok and social media and then you eat whatever people feed you on the internet? You think that the problem is your appearance and you spend money and you waste time and energy to change. But what's wrong is here in your own head. Take care of your soul as much as your appearance, and that's what makes you stand out. When you have a beautiful soul, it shows on your face and your body. Pay attention to your manners, be kind to other people, and if you don't even know how to, learn. There's so much things that we don't know yet. And yes, you can make mistakes and it's normal. Keep learning and learning and learning, and you will see how incredible your life will change in such a good way. I had made a video to talk about how to gain attractive energy. You can go check that out. And I will make more and more videos to talk about it because I really want to help the girls and even myself. Body language is so important. How you sit, your gestures, your posture, the way that you make eye contact, they are all saying things about you. When I look at someone who's actually confident in their own skin, they always have a good posture. Chins up, shoulders back. They take time to walk in a room and talk to people in a pace and manner that they choose. To be able to do this, it has to do with the way that you present yourself. Forget about the material stuff that you think that it would help you to gain confidence. Are you comfortable in the clothes that you're wearing today? Are you enjoying the conversation, the people, and the space at the moment? Or are you caring about what other people think about you? Practice paying attention to your body and your mind, then you will notice that you gain confidence without even trying. One last thing that I want to talk about is always focus on yourself. There is this one thing that I realized on my journey trying to improve my appearance and also my mindset is when I focus on myself, I'm naturally becoming more beautiful. Whenever I see young girls trying to put on makeup or changing her clothing styles with the hope that someone would like her better, no, 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 no. Forget about other people. How do you like it? How do you feel? Does it make you feel pretty and happy? I know that it's painful when you depend on people's opinions and society's standards. Eventually, no matter how hard you try to change yourself, you will never be satisfied with it. There will always, always, always be something wrong about you. Why do I say that? Because once I was in the same spot as you, and when you're hoping these people to like you, girl, these people don't even like themselves. So you always put yourself first. Your health, your body, your soul. You are not doing it for anyone, but for your own peace of mind. I started my self love journey by listening to my body. Our body is the most amazing creation. If your leg or arm got broken, it heals. And whenever you have any problems, it shows you the symptoms right away. It keeps us alive. So instead of chasing people's validation, I chase my own approval first. I always ask myself the question, is it what makes me happy? Does it benefit me? Is it the best for my well-being? I even listen to love songs and imagines that the songs is about me, about how much I love myself. I started with the small things, and trust me, it will slowly shape you into the person that you cannot help but see that I'm beautiful. And that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for staying with me until the end. And I'm actually thinking of doing a Q&A video. So if you guys want to ask me any question, please comment down below. I'm trying to make more interesting videos, so please stay tuned. Thank you guys so much and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.